Hi, Saul from Cheap Alarm Parts. I thought I'd show you guys this system we're putting together for a customer. They've got 8 freezers and they want to monitor any faults or AC power fails with the freezers. We've simulated connection to the freezers just with these loops of cable, which will be the connections back to the monitoring system on the freezers. And we've also added a strobe light, so if they turn the system off, they get a warning that the system's not armed and they may have issues. They've got an iFob Max subscription with us, so they'll get SMS, emails, and even voice. So let's give this a go. If we disarm an area, the strobe light comes on and warns them that the system is disarmed. We can rearm that area. The second group of freezers does exactly the same thing. And if we set one of the freezers off just by disconnecting a cable, we should get notifications immediately on my phone. So let's disconnect zone 1. The alarm goes off there, and let's see how long it takes for the notification to come through. And I presume this is the voice notification. Let's have a listen.
Attention, freezer alarm active. Check your iFob app for more details.
And there's the voice connection. And if we quickly check my email, we can see here the system sent me an email, freezers 2, which is the area, we've called it freezers 2, and freezer number 5, the holding freezer, has gone off. As you can see by the setup, this system's connected via Ethernet card, so there's no cost to the customer. It's not making calls or SMSs, it's just going through iFob, and it doesn't matter how many messages you send, it's all under the same subscription amount every month. And this is the CM910, which I'm just using to program. So that's one of the other ways you can use a Solution 6000. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our site www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.